I've been using the Contixo F33 drone for a while now, and this is my honest, non-sponsored review. In this video, I'll quickly break down what this drone does well, where it falls short, and who I think it's best suited for. The Contixo F33 is a foldable GPS camera drone designed mainly for beginners and casual users who want more than a basic toy drone. It focuses on offering 4K-style aerial shooting, assisted flight features, and a more premium experience without jumping into the price range of higher-end drone brands. After testing it for a while, the biggest strength is definitely the feature set for the price category. The drone includes GPS support, return-to-home functions, follow-style flight modes, and a 2-axis gimbal with electronic stabilization. For first-time drone users, those features make flying feel much less intimidating compared to ultra-budget drones with limited controls. Another thing that stood out to me is the controller design. The built-in screen is genuinely convenient because you don't have to rely completely on attaching your phone every time you fly. That makes the overall experience feel cleaner and more self-contained, especially for casual outdoor use. I also think the drone does a decent job appealing to hobby creators. It's clearly aimed at people who want smoother travel footage and social media clips rather than just novelty flying. In good lighting conditions, the footage can look surprisingly solid for a beginner-focused drone. That said, there are definitely limitations. The biggest one is that this still doesn't compete directly with premium drone brands when it comes to camera consistency, stabilization quality, or advanced safety features. After using it in slightly windy conditions, I noticed the footage became less stable than what you'd expect from more established, higher-end models. I also think some of the advertised specs should be viewed realistically. Claims around flight range, battery life, and video quality may sound stronger on paper than they feel in real-world use, especially in crowded signal environments. Another factor is ecosystem confidence. Contixo is not as established in the drone market as companies like DJI, so long-term support, accessories, and firmware reliability may feel less predictable over time. Overall, I think the Contixo F33 works best for beginners and casual hobby users who want a feature-rich GPS drone without spending premium-level money. It's enjoyable for recreational flying and basic content creation, but users looking for professional-grade aerial footage or maximum reliability should still compare it carefully against more established drone brands. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews.